In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add account numbers in the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of how to easily enable and display account numbers in your QuickBooks Online setup. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to sign in. If you're not already at the home page, look for the sign in option and click it. Once prompted, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This is crucial because it ensures that you're accessing the right platform where these changes can be made. Next, you need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password, then click on Continue. This will take you to your QuickBooks dashboard. If you haven't logged in for a while and can't remember your password, take a moment to reset it to avoid any delays. Now we proceed to the settings. At the top right hand corner of the page, you'll see the settings icon. It looks like a gear. Click on it to access the settings menu. From here, choose Account and Settings. This is where all your account configurations live, and it's the hub for making the adjustments needed today. Inside Account and Settings, navigate to the Advanced tab. This section holds additional settings that allow for more in-depth customization, so spend a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. Once you're in the advanced settings, locate Chart of Accounts. This is where you can tweak your account number settings to better organize your bookkeeping. Find the option labeled Enable Account Numbers and switch it on. This is an essential step as it allows QuickBooks to recognize and categorize accounts by their numbers. But we're not done yet. There's another box right next to it labeled Show Account Numbers. Make sure to check this too. It ensures that these numbers are visible, providing a clearer, more organized view of your financial entries. Once you've successfully adjusted these settings, the next step is to save your work. Look for the Save button and click it to confirm your changes. You'll typically find this at the bottom of the page. Saving is a step you cannot skip, as it finalizes the adjustments you've made. Finally, click Done to exit the settings menu. This will take you back to your QuickBooks dashboard where you can see that the chart of accounts now includes the new account numbers. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully added account numbers to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. This feature will make it easier to organize and track your business finances moving forward. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.